Welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your air filter for a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima with a 2.5 liter engine. It's going to be real quick, real simple, so let's get started. So here's the air filter box, and all you got to do to get to the air filter is undo that clamp, undo that clamp. Now, next you just want to take it and wiggle it a little bit, pull it upright. Okay. Now at this point, you could actually take this off from here, or you can just keep it in and just pull the air filter out like so. All right, here's the old K&N, and just set that down for now. So when I was looking for a new air filter, I came across this one from Max Thrust. This was on Amazon, go figure. Apparently it's a really good air filter. It's supposed to trap 2 times the dirt. It's supposed to protect engine for longer life, delivers max horsepower, improves acceleration, all that stuff. I want to squeeze as much, fuel economy as I can out of this 4-cylinder. So with that being said, I'm going to put this on and just find out if it's any good. Here's the new air filter. This is the, what's it called again? Max Thrust. All right, you see how thick this thing is compared to the K&N? So anyway, we're going to put it in. Hopefully it fits. It should. So all you got to do, lift up, fit the new one in here. Make sure it's pushed nice and snug up against the box. Now, I should show you this part. Underneath, there's these 2 plastic tabs. There's a hole here, like a loop that goes in, and same on this side. Okay, so when you're putting it in, just make sure that you're kind of aiming for those 2 holes. Usually, if you just line up the top and just kind of go straight down like that, you'll see how it lines up, and then you'll line up there pretty good. Push in, and then just get your clamps over, push in, get that clamp in, and that's it. We're done. All right, that's it for this video. The air filter is in, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just the 2 clips here, and that's it. So if you like our work, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.